Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken picture icon in Chrome. Let's get into it. Execute the latest Studio Image Cache Purification. Open your Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality check the box for cached images and files and ensure the time range is set to all time for the latest professional purge. Technicality ensures your studio environment is requesting a fresh, high-end visual data stream from the latest servers without amateur-quality data interference. Next, initialize the Technical Studio DNS handshake verification. Open the command prompt as an administrator and technicality type ipconfig flush DNS to clear the latest registry. After flushing, technicality restart Chrome to allow the latest engine to remap the high-end connection to the image servers. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels for images are technicality open and correctly routed. Next, execute high-end system hardware acceleration calibration. Open Chrome settings, navigate to System, and Technicality toggle. Use hardware acceleration when available to the off position. Relaunch Chrome to Technicality, initialize the software-based rendering path for the latest session to see if the images restore. It removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest high-end visual sessions. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.